undergoes modification to specialized tissues. First of all, बच्चे cell will form special tissues, then tissues will form organs, then organ system, ultimately it forms an organism. Okay, so this is called as embryogenesis, formation of organs. Okay, embryo, formation of organs in zygote or different tissue. It is developmental stage, that is called as embryogenesis. Development of organ, but it is called as organogenesis. What is organogenesis? Formation of organs. So bache, now you know very well that animals are of two type, oviparous and viviparous. Oviparous, that lay egg outside, and viviparous, that lay egg inside. That means they give birth. Okay, so which a fertilized egg will be covered with the hard shell, hard covering made up of calcium. Okay, and then in the same place in the environment, after the incubation, young one will hatch out. Okay, the mother will give mother, or the father will incubate the eggs. Okay, when the it will be grown. Okay, the now individual or the embryo is developed into a new organism. It will now be hatched, and the young one will come out of the egg. In the case of viviparous bache, the zygote is developed within the body of the female. Okay, until it attain a certain stage. Okay, that now it is being capable to survive outside the body. Okay, so now it is being delivered outside the body of female. It will be delivered out the body of the female. Okay, why? Because bache, the extra embryonic care increases the chances of survival. Bache, why this is told that internal fertilization is more important? Because it increases the chances of survival. Why? Because embryo or the body, the organism is in the body of female. That means it is protected. Outside the body of female, there is lot of danger to that egg, that it can be destroyed, it can be eaten by any other organism. Okay, so internal fertilization increases the chances of survival. Okay, so which now in case of plants will form zygote. Okay, zygote is formed in ovule and protected by the seed coat. First of all, bache, see, the pistil is remaining attached to the plant. Slowly the sepals, petals, stamen, flower, fruit, they will get detached. Okay, then ultimately the fruit will be developed. The ovary will be converted into fruit. Okay, and the ovule will change into seeds will be protected by the fruits. Okay, so which is zygote. See, now let's do with the